Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to attach a Lambda Authorizer to your API in AWS. Let's start by searching for Lambda on the AWS console, then click on Create Function, then give your function a name. I'm going to select Python for runtime, then hit Create Function. Next, go to the code source section and hit the test button. Give your test event a name, then click on save. Click on test again to test your Lambda function and verify the output to ensure that it's working as expected. Let's go back to the search bar and this time search for API Gateway. Click on Create API, then hit Build in the HTTP API section. Click on Add Integration and select Lambda from the drop-down. Search for the Lambda function that we just created, then give your API a name. For route, I'm going to select get and leave everything else to default. Navigate to the invoke URL and add your route at the end of it. Looks like our Lambda function is getting invoked as expected. Go back to API Gateway and click on Authorization. Select the get route, then click on Create and attach an authorizer. Select Lambda, then give your authorizer a name. Next, we're going to create a Lambda Authorizer function. Let's go back to the Lambda screen, then click on Create Function. Give your authorizer function a name, then select Python from the runtime dropdown. Hit the Create Function button, then scroll down to the code source section. Here, I'm going to copy paste pre-written Python code. Here I'm checking if the value of the query string parameter ID_token is equal to 123, then set is authorized to true, else set is authorized to false. Click on deploy, then hit test and give your test event a name. Hit save, then click on test again to test your authorizer function. Seems to be working as expected since we did not pass ID_token. Let's go back to the API Gateway and search for this Lambda function that we just created. I'm going to select simple for response mode and turn off the authorizer caching. For identity source, I'm going to select request.queryString.id_token. Click on create and attach, then go back to the API URL. Watch what happens when I refresh this URL. I get the unauthorized message. To get rid of the unauthorized message, pass the query string parameter ID_token equal to 123. If I change the value of ID_token to anything other than 123, I should see the forbidden message. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.